instance, a B flat blues.
This is the VHS booklet that came with the video. There's the video right there. And if you open it up, it's been well worn, as you can see here. If you open it up here, you got the tablature and the B flat blues, and I'll get in tight. If you freeze this frame, you'll see what Nathan is doing. It's not a complete transcription. In fact, at the E flat, you'll see it goes etc. But this will get you started on the fingering. It's a really good solo to have a fun shot at, and I hope you enjoy this.